Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious apple dessert that melts in your mouth. No oven needed and only a few ingredients. Let's get right into it. Start by cutting 2 apples into cubes. If apples and desserts are your thing, you'll absolutely love this recipe. Place the apple in a blender. Add 2 cups of milk. Blend well for 3 minutes. Using a strainer, strain all the apple liquid. Hey everyone, which country are you tuning in from? I'd love to know. Now let's add half a cup of sugar, half a cup of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Turn the heat to medium and keep stirring until the mixture thickens, about 8 minutes. This is the perfect consistency with a creamy texture. Pour the mixture into the cups of your choice while it's still hot. I'd like to send a special shout out to A.M. Gregers from Denmark. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Leave in the fridge for an hour. While it's chilling, let's make the topping. In a pan, add 1 heaping tablespoon of butter, 1 peeled apple cut into cubes, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix and let it cook for 5 minutes. This apple topping is delicious. Let it cool to room temperature. Now just add the topping to the dessert glasses. This apple dessert is very easy and practical to prepare. Everyone will ask you for the recipe. I'm going to add mint leaves for decoration, but it's optional. Do you know this apple dessert? What ingredient would you add? I'd love to hear your recipe. And it's ready. Look how beautiful our dessert turned out. Super refreshing and delicious. It melts in your mouth. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you in our next recipe. Enjoy!